are doing well. Today I did a model of the high velocity impact of a steel bullet to the armor plate. This is the ceramic, and here at the back we have the green composite with 8 or 16 or more layer as a reinforcement for the ceramic. So if I click on the animate, you can see this is the penetration of the bullet, and if I check it in this view, you can see the deformation of the green composite, and it's failed during the analysis. So let me to check the result first for the stress, and let me to replace just the ceramic. Click on animate. You can see this is a stress wave propagation in the ceramic, and it is too much. Also, let me replace the green composite here. This is the stress. Or the other part like bullet. Let me to check now the damage for the ceramic during the impact. This is the damage for the ceramic, damage variable, pressure. This is ductile damage, plastic strain, and yield criterion, and then the damage for the bullet. Also, you can see this is the damage for the bullet or the damage for the composite. You can see the damage for this here is a composite layer. If I draw the force diagram, you can see this is a force diagram during the time for the boundary condition of the slab. So if you need this tutorial and modeling high velocity impact, and you should consider the ceramic, the back reinforcement like green composite. The green composite is a new material. You can provide this tutorial. Just come to our website www.abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial. Click on the title or blue sign, and then you will have this title, explanation about the geometry assembly and the material method, the step interaction load, and the result as figures here. If you use the limit, you can watch the result like this. Okay, the cost for this tutorial containing CAI and plain English video file, also the reference paper for the material is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.